Looking for the best Cuckoo rice cookers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Cuckoo rice cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Cuckoo Electric Heating Rice Cooker CR0655F. Pros: non-stick coating for the inner pot. 6 cup uncooked rice capacity. 16 different rice cooking modes. Includes a baby food function. Lightweight. Cons: has a lot of functionality, but does not include a steam container like many rice cookers on the market. Bottom line: this rice cooker includes a My Way mode, which remembers exactly how you like your food cooked. At number 2. Cuckoo Electric Heating Rice Cooker CR0351FR. Pros: non-stick pot. Holds 3 cups of rice, uncooked. Cooks very fast. Cooks the rice all the way to center. Easy to clean. Can be used to make soup or sponge cakes, beans or oatmeal. Can make a good brown rice. Cons: the size on this pot is good for 1 or 2 people, but is probably not going to be large enough for a whole family. Bottom line: this rice cooker makes great rice, but can also handle a lot of other cooking functions. At number 1. Cuckoo Electric Heating Rice Cooker CR061F. Pros: large capacity rice cooker that handles 6 cups of uncooked rice. 6 cooking functions. LCD display includes time. Auto steam cleaning system. Can stay on and keep your rice warm for days. Cons: this is a heavy rice cooker weighing almost 11 pounds. The instructions that come with this unit can be hard to understand. Bottom line: a cute pink rice cooker built with a lot of functionality and large enough for a family. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.